Hello again. Quick video demonstration of the basics of SPSS while showing you how the SPSS instructions booklet can really help with this. What you're seeing on the screen is on the left SPSS file, and on the right the SPSS instructions booklet, which is available from stataras.com. Let's take a look. First of all, at the SPSS instructions booklet. So I've broken it up between one variable scenarios and two variable scenarios. So we have two large sections. Before reading them, or before diving into them, very important that you look at these two. Introduction to SPSS, and there's some data types work there. Also, entering and importing data into SPSS. So that is very important for your first assignment. So we have one variable scenarios that are either measurement or categorical, and this is the SPSS calculations that SPSS will help you with, will do for you. Two variable scenarios, both measurement, both categorical, one of each. Same thing. We're going to deal with that later in the course. In the first part of the course, we'll deal with measurement variables and categorical variables each separately. Now, how do you tell? So we're on the left, you have the SPSS screen. The data set view. I've got it in variable view. Sorry, but this is the data set. There is also another option. Let's open up the output. So you're either going to be looking at output, or you'll be looking at the data set. And if we look at age group, we have the variables number of, what is that? Number of hours of television watching per week. Okay. And so what we have, we look at the data view and we can see the categories. So age group is in categories. There's a little switch here, A to 1, which switches from the label to the code. And then the other variable, which is measurement, number of hours of television watched, is just a series of values, number of hours of television watched per week. So variable view, one thing I would just want to point out is this values option here. So this is how you set the categories in a categorical variable. Very quickly, I'm not going to do much with this. The instructions are pretty straightforward. Let's just look quickly at a categorical variable. Let's do that. So we're going to explore numerically. We're going to do a frequency table. We look at page 7. So I scroll down to page 7. And here we have the instructions. Along the top, you have all the functions. So just like Excel, very similar. And what does it tell us to do? It tells us let's create a frequency table without a graph. Analyze descriptive statistics frequencies. We go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and Frequencies. So there's a lot of functions that we don't use. We'll use maybe 1% of them. Then, so we've done step 2, step 3, frequencies dialog box opens. That's what we have here. Click on the desired variable, and the categorical variable was age group. Move it over there. And so I just clicked on the arrow, or you can just move it over, or actually you can just double click it and it'll move. So there's multiple ways of doing that. And make sure this box is ticked. This will give you the frequency tables, and they will appear in the output file. Give it 30 seconds, and here is the output file. So for the age group 18 to 29, we had 20 out of 70, or 28.6% of that variable, of those people, of the 70 of the total are 18 to 29. Of 70 people in the set, 28.6 are 30 to 49, and 22.9% are 66 and over. Let's look at a pie chart. We can do the same thing. So let's simple pie chart going through graph function. Okay, so we go to graphs, and it asks you to use the legacy dialogues. Okay, so I find those as most straightforward. So we go to legacy dialogues, we want a pie chart. Pie chart dialog box opens up. In the pie chart, select summaries for groups of cases. Summaries for groups of cases. Define that. Move the desired variable into the defined slices by. Age group, define slices by. There we go. Oh, click it that way. Now we click OK. And give it a minute. Processing. And there's our pie chart. So out of the group of 70, we know it's 70, we can see here they're all around 25%, with 30 to 49 being a little bit more, 18 to 29 being a little bit more than 25%, and that's what we see here. So these numbers are used to calculate this 25%, roughly 26% of 360 degrees. Okay, so that's just showing you that how the SPSS instructions booklet can help you create the output that you need. Thank you for watching.